Alright guys, it is day 3 of the tournament and it is also the last day, and so today it's currently like 7:45 and we have an hour to go eat and then get to the field and then pack up to leave this hotel because today is the last day, and then we play one game determining if we win that game we'll move on, and if not, if we lose that game then we just go home. But since we have 2 teams, we can stay for the other one. And, but yeah, we're going to be versing one of the harder teams to start with, the 03s. And the 02s have an easy game, so hopefully they can win. And hopefully we can win too.
Wait till halftime. Wait till halftime.
The other team literally forfeited. That's cool. Hey Josh, how's your game going to go?
Okay, not good.
What do you mean? Can't say that on the vlog. You have to say positive things.
I'm saying 03 and 5.
Hey Bobbin.
Bro, record this. Record this. The team
What?
forfeited. This team's not showing up.
Yeah, I know. The team's literally not showing up. Pierce, go play defense!
I should just go hop in the goal. Dude, what if Pierce just... Dude, I want them to miss it so bad.
Bro, we took the dub. We won 1-0, had a couple chances.
Let me snipe him.
I'm gonna slap his ass. Get a video, I'm gonna slap his ass. I took my back on the next ready, bro. Wait.
That's the start of our 9:30 games.
Turn. Oh! Cameron now. Corey. Corey. You want it? Go, Trevor!
We won 1-0. Ooh.
24?
24. Big dog.
24.
Alright, so this is the way that they solve the penalty shootouts.
Yeah.
Instead of doing this, you just shoot at this dartboard, and yeah. If you're good, you're good, and if not, you're not.
Hit it.
Oh, that's gonna be so hard. They have Ordums over there. What's up, Cameron?
Alright guys, we got about a half an
Okay,
hour,
big
so
dog.
let's start get some water.
Anyone have water I can down?
What?
Some water in
You
here
need a
first.
man mark number 3.
Yeah.
He's like insane.
Cold? Is it cold? Yeah.
Hey, Josh. How's it going, big dog?
Corey baby.
3 and 8 are
Are you gonna win your next? Wait, who are you up against?
The first team. The like white team.
super quick and they cut. So
Oh, are you gonna beat him?
number 7 and
Easy.
4 are very
Yeah, I. Hey, Aubin.
Alright.
Yeah, I. All Oli teams lost. 02, 03, and then our older group lost as well. We all lost our second game.
Yeah.
Wait, were we in the semifinals then?
We were in the semis.
Yeah, we made semis, I guess.
We were the 6 seed and we beat the 3 seed. That was kind of hype.
Yeah, we were the 6 seed, and then we beat the 3. So.
And then we lost to the 1.
Yeah, we lost to the 1, obviously, but I'm glad that we beat the other team 1-0, and we lost 5-1 last night to them. So coming back like that,
4-0 to them.
or 4-0 to them, it's basically the same score though. But I'm glad that we came back like that. And now we're just headed to a restaurant. Then after that, we have to travel like 4 hours to go home, which is like the worst part because we have school tomorrow. Bobbin, stop limping. Why do you look disabled? Imagine. I want to be as fast as Pierce one day. Here we're gonna eat. I don't know what we're eating. Why?
Why what?
Oh, you're an idiot.
Are you harassing me?
Yeah, I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
I have evidence.
I'll touch your knee.
I have evidence of you harassing me. I have evidence of you harassing me.
Now.
Flip it up, hey! Oh, alright. Yeah, you got oven in the build.
Have you guys already ordered or no?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah.
We're setting up a big table.
Is anyone else here?
Yeah, there's several of us are.
What? You ain't tell me that. Not even Cap right now. You got this boy in the build. You got all in the build. You know what I mean? Ah! You already know what it be. We got Corey in the build.
There's such a long table. Yeah? You're literally disgusting. So Madsen? Brady? Dude, is that live? Oh, never mind. That's the Champions League game. Rip and chat.
Don't cry. I'm burning down the stars. So if you see me around tonight, kiss me goodbye. By your side is where I wanna be. Young and wild with no apologies. I could die. It feels so good to be running wild with you right next to me.
Alright guys, so we're finally home. That actually was supposed to take 4.5 hours. It was like 3 hours, which is pretty cool. Got here super fast. We kind of speeded some, but it's fine. But yeah, the tournament overall, I mean, it was okay. We definitely did better last year because we were not in the high school bracket, and this year we were. But you know, I have soccer practice tomorrow, and I have soccer practice Wednesday and Friday, so I might as well get used to playing some more soccer. I'm about to get back into it and probably play on my best potential, and now I know what I need to work on, which is good, and it's gonna help me in my overall soccer. But thanks guys for watching. See you guys.